Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 16th, Monday. So here is my first trade on the 16th, EURUSD, and this is my buy order here. This is the order here and the yellow sign here, right? Yellow mark. So buy and SL move to break even plus. So this is the only strategy that I use, and it requires like four components, four conditions must be there in order to me taking the trade. So this is the first one, EURUSD 20-minute on the 16th, and then you move on the 16th. It's a lot of trades on 16th. EURUSD, right? This one went up as well, and similarly buy order here for 80 pip here. On the 16th, pound USD came down, sell order here, right? And on the 16th, pound yen also went down, and this is 55 pip. Okay, now on the 16th again, Aussie USD went down. That is all, pound USD went down, Aussie USD, Euro USD, they were going down because of the US dollar strength. I'll show you at the end of this video. And on the 17th, obviously, when the market moves that much in one day, then the next day is quiet. So this is the only trade that I have on it. I think that's maybe a couple of them. It's a pound NUSI. NUSI started getting weaker badly, so because of the lockdown and all that. So it's a 7-minute entry here, 145 pip. And then on the 17th, I also had Euro USD went down. Like I said, the pound USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD all gone down because of the USD strength. And USDCAD went up. I'll show you, and it is also because of the USD strength. So on the 18th, there was only one trade here, pound Aussie US for 100 pip on the 18th. And then 19th also, there was I think now 19th was Thursday. It's a big day. Thursday is always the biggest moving day, is Thursday of the week. Thursday is the biggest moving day, right? The market moves the most and the fastest on Thursdays, usually. So on the 19th, you can see EURUSD went up big time here, 125 pip. I didn't want it to go long for EURUSD because it has gone too much, but Aussie start getting weaker badly. I think mainly because of the coronavirus lockdown, New Zealand, and all of that. So on the 19th, pound Aussie, because of the Aussie weakness as well, it went up. So this was the trade that I just showed you earlier. Then this is the one. Should have taken this one, but I missed this one, and then I wasn't home, probably something. The system gives you so many entries, even though this was a good entry, this was a good entry. You can see all of these four, and even this one, five entries in a row after switching the side from bearish to bullish. 5 entries, and they're all good, and none hit the SL. When my strategy is that I open the trade as soon as the blue candles start to build, a couple of them, and I open the trade here, and my SL is right behind here. Usually it is always 25 pip, always 25 pip, 24, 25, something like that. So if I'm wrong, just I lose 25 pip. If I'm right, I make something like that. So, but you can see that never happened here. It always goes up. Here, what would happen if I had taken this one, and then it goes up here, I come and see the break even here, right? Then the price comes down and take my SL. I make 5 pip. Nothing to lose. No, nothing to worry about. Then again, this setup, and I take this one, then go all the way. This never hit my SL. This, and then the price never hit my SL here, anyway. So that's how it is. Now on the 19th, another pound NUSI was keep going right to the upside, and again buy order here went for 90 pip. On the 19th, Euro NUSI, beautiful, 150 pip here. You got to know what's happening in the market, fundy wise, and then this something like that, a system that shows you that yes, the pair has gone bullish or bearish. And then you have a bullish or bearish setup, then you pull the trigger. I'm not gonna go long here. I'm not gonna go short here. Not at all. For anything in the world, because this is bearish and this is bullish. So I need this. Yellow is above the black, is bullish. This indicator all the way down. Here, the yellow is below the black line and indicator all the way up. This is bearish, right? But 40-minute is bullish, so this I wouldn't take it. This is against it, and then after that, it's gone. Now here, on the 19 USD CAD, you can see it's for 140 pip. You see that? It was here. It's like crossing the moving averages, and all of a sudden, what happened? USD start to move again. And boom, it went up. Beautiful entry and 140 pip. Okay, and then Aussie yen on the 19th, it came down. Like I said, Aussie was completely, weak. Aussie yen Aussie both, and when the weaker currency is on the left hand side, the pair goes down. So here is the Aussie, boom. Anything else on the 19th? Euro CAD. 20-minute, it went up big time here, 100 pip, right? And on the 19th, again, pound USD going down. This was I earlier showed you, right? And then again, this one for 70 pip. And these are like, I think it's like 14 or 15 trades this week. So last week I had only 5 trades. And this week is this. So this is how, the Forex market is. But as long as you have a system, you will come out. Sometimes you make only $2, sometimes 20,000. So that's depend. But this system always is positive, because when you are wrong, it only you lose only 25 pip, and if you're right, you saw how many. It's like 100 pip, 95 pip, 140 pip, 150 pip. That's how it is. So and then let me show you that what happened. Why all USD pairs, some of them were going down and some was going up. So this is the chart that I made for US dollar index here on the 29th May, saying that this is my Elliott wave count, and we're supposed to have A, B, and then C correction to this area. As of last Friday, where we are here. Okay, so what happened? US dollar is getting strong, going to the upside. So US dollar is on the left hand side in 4 pairs: Euro USD, Pound USD, USD, and NZD USD. NZD USD, you will see that I never trade. I don't know why, but you just saw that I had Euro USD down. I mean short, couple of pounds short, and Aussie USD short. That's because of this. The if USD is on the right hand side, that pair will on the right hand side, and then that currency is getting strong, those pair will go down. If it is on the left hand side, that will go up. So that's why you saw a couple of big USD CAD going up long, right? For example, this one I had in that US dollar chart I made in May, right? You see that in some of the trades I have here for USD CAD. In July 8th, I have this for 65 pip long. This is long, 40 pip. On 15th July, 19th July, long for 160 pip. And then you can see here last Thursday on the 19th, also for 140 pip long. Why? Because the USD was getting strong, and USD was on the left hand side here in this case, right? Also, I made a small chart of USD on the 15th, for example, like harmonic patterns. This is very handy, this information, if you have it. So I had this that is gonna drop, and then even before that, I made the chart. Where it is, I don't know. Let me see if I can come up. See this one here? So I said that we're gonna come down here first, point C, 38%, and then go up. So I'm telling you that, this is how we're going to move. This would be the route, right? That is going to come down first for C and then go up for D. So coming down will be the opposite. 7 pairs will move in the opposite direction. Means Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, NZ USD will be going up, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will be going down. But then USD makes the turn and start to go up. All those 7 pairs flip. Now 4 of those will go down and 3 will go up. And that's what exactly happened. And this chart, let me see, this one, this is the chart I made on the 13th that we reached here at point C. Now we're going to make a turn for D, right? And look what happened as of last Thursday or Friday. Where we are now, where's that chart go? Okay, that chart, let me see quickly. I'll show you. I think I just, by mistake, I used the 40-minute chart. Okay, and here we are. You see that? I made the chart. We were gonna go, from point C to point D, and we touched that exactly to the pip, 177. That is because that harmonic pattern here. You see that? It's supposed to go to 127, and if it continue to go to the upside, usually it will go to 1.600. But this information is very handy, and if you have this, that okay, from point C we'll go to point D. You have 7 beautiful pairs, and then several trades among those 7 pairs easily. All right. So if you like what you saw, you wanna get a hold of this system, go on my website here, myforexmagicwave.com, and subscribe. And if you are in need of learning the whole Forex market and the system and need to get the system, then you can go here, one-on-one coaching. I teach every single thing from A to Z and the system, and give you the system, teach you the system on over the Skype or Zoom, one-on-one personally, right? Where you're going to learn everything. And you also can make money if you have a website or anything. You can become an affiliate here and start promoting. You make 50%. Yeah. So profit, whatever. So this is how it is. Again, so if you like what you saw, go on my website and start trading like this, and be a profitable trader. Okay, so like I said, if you're in need of learning the whole thing from the beginning, then go and sign up for one-on-one. I have few spots open now because I just finished a few of them. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.